Attention. DHE, F, ER, F. Okay, you can stop spamming now. What the hell do you want? Hello peasant, he really called him his peasant at Tanaka. Come see, oh yes, it's tea time already. Smiley face, oh no, here he goes. What the hell, did you just call me a peasant? Hell yeah. I am confused, I thought you didn't want to be the king. Of course I do. Silence, silence. Do not, shut up, how the hell would you know? You're not me, calm your ass. I want to be the best. The king of the court, TCH, Kageyama. Didn't you take your medicine or something? You're not acting like yourself, hey. He be needin' Snickerses, ulmoaoaoau. Extra food's always welcome. For me too then, peasant Tsuki. Buy me food, like hell, you dog. Don't talk to Tsuki like that, what in the world is going on? He really said a say I, lol? Who even says lol these days? I do, obviously, don't worry. I do too, lol, lol, lol. Quit spamming, my music gets interrupted by your asses. Turn it off then, I already have my notifications muted. I meant the music, lol, lol, lol. I thought you didn't like the word lol, Daichi, I never said that. Hinata, what the hell is this? I can explain, and why didn't you send this to me huh? Oh no. Oh no. Ha ha haschsens. LMAOO. Sorry, I laughed. Wahahahahaha, I made it myself. Baldashima. Nice huh? I swear to God, no, you do not. Angry Daichi noises. What's this? Crap. You found my secret album of arts and edits. Wow. Ha 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 ha. That's not even funny because it's obviously what they do behind the scenes. I'm not even surprised. Hey. It's just art. I'm downloading it. Do it, coward. What? The art style's great. I wanna try to redraw it. How about drawing it live from a picture? Kageyama, OMG, I didn't know you had brains. So no one's gonna talk about how Hinata's talking in third person and Kageyama's typing seems off. Nope, we ain't. Baldi's Hima. Fight me. Ha. Na. Ta. Bake. Did he just call himself an idiot? And he's right, Shuga-san. What is this? Look at how adorable you are. I don't understand what's happening, but I like it. Look at his little smile. You should smile more often. It looks good on you. Wahahahaha, nice pic, Hina. Wait a damn minute. Why do you have that picture on your phone of Kageyama, Shoyo? I'd like to know as well. Aren't you Hinata though? Haven't you figured it out yet? Hinata is Kageyama. Kageyama is Hinata. Question mark. Thinking. Or rather, they swapped phones. Oh. So you figured it out huh? Oi. But since you're revealing so many pictures of mine, why would you guys give each other your phones to begin with? Let's see what your gallery looks like. Oh god no. Well. What's it look like? Here. See for yourselves. Brew. Okay. That's kinda unexpected. Huh. I thought you didn't even have ABS? Ha 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 ha. Of course the king would be so self-centered. Well, it's fan art. You don't look that hot at all. Oh, shut up, Four Eyes. Don't worry. I think it's good. Thanks. Wait. I found another thing. Oh god. Hinata, come here and give me my phone. Never. Look. It's a picture Suga-san took of us a while back. I didn't know you cared enough to keep it saved, mischievous smiling. So you do consider me your friend after all. Did you think I wouldn't see you as my friend? 10 biggest betrayals. You said it? Well. I mean, you're always rude to me. Rude. I'm never rude. Yes you are. Am not. R2. Oh ho ho ho. You're asking for it? Oh, don't even think of starting an argument near me. Tsukishima left the group. Yamaguchi added Tsukishima. They won't. Alright, but Hina, can you give me back my phone now? What's the magic word, my friend? Dirty smirk. Bake. I'm seeing you grin at the screen. Gotta run. Hinata and Kageyama went offline. Idiots. Some things never change. I guess so. Still, it's nice though. Even after all we've been through. Don't get all sappy now. Right. Kageyama is online. Kageyama, that you? Yeah. Dumb Hinata is sulking because I took my own damned phone back. Sounds like show for ya. Hinata is online. Kage Mama. Kagama. Kavemana. It's Kageyama. Gala Banana. That's even further from what my name is. You guys, are you coming to the court or not? Yeah, stop fooling around the club room. Coming. Everyone but Kageyama went offline. I'm never giving him my phone again.